You wake up at 4:30 a.m., hook up the boat, drive to the lake. Water's dead calm. You turn on your fish finder. Red dots, yellow blobs, wavy lines. And you just sit there thinking, did I really spend $400 to look at a screensaver? Here's the thing. Most people buy one of these, look at the screen, and feel like they need a PhD in rocket science. But Sonar isn't complicated. It's actually stupid simple once someone shows you how it works in plain English. So today, no tech talk, no boring lectures, just a real look at what's happening under your boat. To get this, we need to steal a page from nature. Think about dolphins or bats. They can't see in murky water or total darkness, so they make a sound. That sound travels out, hits something, and bounces back. If the echo comes back fast, the thing is close. Takes longer, it's deep. Their brain does the math automatically. Your fish finder does the exact same thing. There's a little gadget on the back of your boat called a transducer. It's basically the mouth and the ears of the whole system. It sends a tiny sound pulse, we call it a ping, straight down into the water. That ping hits the bottom, hits rocks, hits fish, and bounces back up. The box on your dashboard counts the time, does the math, and draws a picture. That's it. Sound goes down, echo comes back. Machine turns it into a picture. No magic, just sound. Okay, this is where everyone gets stuck. Why do fish look like little arches? Why not just fish-shaped? Picture this. You're drifting over a fish. The edge of your sound cone catches the front of the fish first, but it's on the outer edge, so it's a little farther from the transducer. Machine drops a dot low on the screen. You move directly over the fish. Now it's closer. Dot moves higher. You pass it. Fish is farther away again. Dot drops back down. Connect those dots. Up, then down. You get a curve, a little arch. When you see a clean, full arch, your boat just glided over a fish sitting still. If it's a straight line or half an arch, fish probably swam off, or you were hauling too fast. But here's the part almost nobody tells you. Arches only prove a fish was there. The colors under it? That's what actually tells you if it's worth stopping. Now all those bright colors, what do they mean? Here's an easy way to think about it. Shout in an empty room with concrete walls. Echo is loud and sharp. Shout in a room full of blankets. Sound gets swallowed. Water works the same way. Hit hard rock, thick wood, solid structure, sound bounces back strong. Your screen shows that as thick, bright lines, usually red, yellow, or orange. Think of it this way. The brighter and thicker the line, the harder the object. Hit soft mud, weeds, silt, sound gets absorbed. Weak echo comes back. Screen shows thin, dim lines, blue, green, or gray. Less bright, less thick. So when you see a thick, bright red line hugging the bottom, you're over hard structure. Fish love that. Thin, dim green line, soft mud. Probably not much happening there. Knowing how it works is half the battle. But how do you actually use this thing without going crazy? First off, don't touch every setting on day one. Leave sensitivity on auto. Modern units are pretty smart right out of the box. Second, check your transducer. Make sure it's sitting straight down in the water, not tilted sideways, not bouncing around. If it's crooked, your screen looks like a toddler's scribble. Straight transducer, clean picture. Third, Pick something that matches how you actually fish. You don't need a $3,000 spaceship to catch fish. Here's the honest truth. Most beginners start with something simple and budget-friendly. Leave it on auto, take it out, and just watch. First few trips, none of it makes sense. Then one day, it clicks. Arches over here, hard bottom over there. Suddenly, you're not fighting the machine anymore. You're reading the water. That's really all you need to get started. Something simple, something cheap, and a few trips to let it teach you. If you want the exact units worth buying at every budget, I broke down 3 of them. Links right up there and in the description. Look, a fish finder isn't a magic button. It doesn't make fish bite. It's just an underwater flashlight. It shines sound into the dark, tells you where the fish actually are. So you stop wasting hours casting into empty water. Next time you're out there, look at those arches. Check the colors on the bottom. And remember, it's just echo, bouncing back, telling you a story. So next time you're staring at that screen at 4:30 in the morning, it won't look like a screensaver anymore. It'll actually make sense. If that just clicked for you, hit like. It genuinely helps this channel grow. And if you want more of this, breakdowns without the boring stuff, stick around and subscribe. New one drops every week. Oh, and tell me down in the comments, what are you running out there? Always curious what you guys are using. Thanks for watching. Stay safe on the water. Catch you in the next one.